Okay, so from our video today, boys, we have some keywords. We have radius, diameter, arc, sector and center, all to do with circle, boys. And we're going to be looking at all the different circles in the car. We're going to be looking at the headlights, the indicators, the wheels. So when we're looking at any circle, boys, we know that we have the center and we have all the way around the edge. Okay, and if we go from the center to any point on the edge, that's a radius. Okay, also if we go from the edge through the center and out the other side, that's a diameter. So you could say 2 radiuses equal 1 diameter. So let's get measuring this wheel. We take the 0 centimeter mark all the way down this end. We can bring it right to the top of the wheel, and very simply we can go down and we get 38 centimeters, boys. So we know straight away the diameter, which is from one edge through the middle to the other, is 38 centimeters. Now, all the wheels on the car are the exact same size. So if we know that it's 38 centimeters from the top to the bottom, I'm going to make a guess that from the top straight to the middle is going to be about 19 centimeters, because we know if the diameter is 38 and that's from top all the way to the bottom, we know that half of 38 is 19 centimeters, boys. And we know that if we have a diameter, half of it is a radius, because a radius, boys, goes from one part of the circle in towards the center. So a radius goes from the edge into the center, and I'm going to make a guess, if I measure from the edge to the center, it's going to be 19 centimeters. So we put our 0 to there, and if I get to 19 here, bang in the center of the wheel. So we know straight away that the radius of our wheel is 19 centimeters. Now, as well as the diameter and the radius, there's other parts to a circle too. So we have the center right in the middle, and if we take any point, so we're going to go from here to here, so this part of the circle, if we follow that part around the circle and we have a fixed length like that, we can call it an arc, boys. So it follows like an arc, like a rainbow through the sky. Okay, and if we take any edge of the arc and bring it into the center like a slice of pizza, we can call that a sector. So inside the car now, boys, not the best fit for a man like myself. Fairly cramped, as you can see, fairly stuck under the steering wheel. But I'm going to turn the camera around now a second and I'll show you there's loads more circles inside that we can find the radius and diameter of. So we have the air conditioning spots there, little clock in the middle, we have the speed dials there, the fuel and the red counter as well. So there's loads of circles, but the one we're concerned about is the steering wheel, boys. And as you can see, like anything else, like the wheels outside, we have the edge of our steering wheel and we have the center right there. Okay, and if I want to beat the horn at someone, I can go. So we've measured our steering wheel here, boys, and we can see it's 35 centimeters. Okay, and if we look for the middle, so we know the middle should be half of 35, which is 17.5. So our radius, which is from the edge right to the center of the wheel, should be about 17.5 centimeters. And if we look at that there, between 17 and 18, we can see it's in the middle of our circle. So we know that half the diameter equals 1 radius. So boys, I hope you've learned something today. The keywords from today's video are radius, diameter, center, sector and arc. Have a go at the work below and stay safe, and we'll see you again soon. Okay, bye bye.